Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Lola Nicole. I upload videos every week. Today is a clean with me. I am actually cleaning my kitchen, my living room, my bedroom, my bathroom, and then the rest of this video is just mama tackling laundry. Back to school started today because when this video goes up, it will actually be Friday, August 10th. So all of my kiddos are off to school. But before they started school this week, I had so much cleaning to do, and I actually had to make this a two-part video because I was not going to be able to fit everything in this video without it being an hour long, even though it took me 2 days to record this video, which is exactly why I actually have on multiple outfits in this video. But anyway, if you'd like some cleaning motivation, then please keep watching. Also, are there any other mamas out there crying their eyes out today because their kiddos went back to school? Let me know in the comments below, and I hope you enjoy the video. Had to use quite a lot of paper towels during this clean with me because I could not for the life of me find any of my reusable cleaning cloths, but you will see when we get to the laundry portion of this video as to why I could not find any of my cleaning rags. So I'm using a bunch of paper towels because all of my cleaning rags were dirty this week. For some reason in my bedroom, it seems darker than it actually is in person. I think I'm gonna have to get another light to try and make it a little brighter when I'm recording, because off camera it's super bright, but on camera it shows up a little darker than I'd like it to. So I'm sorry that the lighting isn't as bright as it could be. set that I'm actually putting on my bed right now. I love the color block pattern. I got it from Walmart. I believe it's the 8-piece set, the 8-piece king size set. It comes with like 2 pillow shams, 2 pillowcases, top bottom sheet, and the comforter, and a cute little throw pillow to go with it. It's actually really nice. I believe I paid like $45 for the whole set, so not super expensive. It's not like over the top hotel quality 1,000 thread count sheets or anything, but it's actually pretty comfortable for the value. But I just wanted to get this out on the bed now since summer is getting ready to come to an end. So I figured now is the time to have my little color block bright set in the bedroom before we jump into the fall colors.
You got me singing, way oh, oh. You look like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Take a drive.
camera battery actually died while I was recording cleaning the bathroom, but I think you can kind of get the gist of the fact that I was cleaning the shower. This was my laundry room at the beginning of laundry. As you can see, it is a complete disaster. There are clothes everywhere. I had like 4 loads that I was neglecting to fold and like 4 more to wash. So that is why I have so much laundry to fold during this video. Different outfits because I had to break laundry up into a 3-day process and fold it in 2 days because there was just so much to get through, and I actually still have a half a load left, but we're just gonna celebrate the small victories. Mom with kids knows whether you have 1 or 5, the amount of clothes they go through is ridiculous. So I actually neglected laundry for a little bit, so I'm kind of kicking myself, as you can see, with the multiple piles on my bed right now. So I'm just going through folding. I actually folded like 3 loads one day and I think 2 or 3 more loads the next day, which is why I have 2 different outfits on, because I had to break this laundry up in 2 separate days because it was just so much to get through in one day.
When the sun goes down, I can't lay my
on top of the laundry, but with back to school shopping and everything else that we had going on for the summer, the last 2 or 3 weeks were crazy before school started, so laundry just got behind. So now I'm kind of kicking myself, but now that we're all back to school and we're getting our schedules back in order, I can go back to my doing laundry once a week. For this clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it motivated you to get some cleaning done. Let me know in the comments below if you have any back to school rituals that you do cleaning wise or anything like that to prepare. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.